Welcome! Today we'll be making some wood-fired bagels. And we'll be using 4 different toppings: poppy seed, everything bagel, sesame seed, and salt. First, let's boil some water in the oven. And we'll be using a pre-made 16-ounce dough ball, which will give us 4 4-ounce bagels. And now that they're separated, let's cover them up with a wet cloth and wait for them to rise a little bit more. And now that the dough has risen, it is time to stretch the bagel. It is kind of fun. And don't worry, it might seem the hole is too big, but it will shrink. The water is ready. We added some baking soda and some salt. All we need is 1 minute per side. And it's time to flip. And we're gonna need 1 egg for the egg wash. After applying the egg wash, it is time to add your toppings. Can't wait. They're ready to go in the oven. We have it at 425 degrees. And we just turned off the gas. Put on the door, and here they are. And now it's time. Chewy, crunchy, delicate, elegant, delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.